Let me ask you something. What if hackers discover a weakness in your system before you even know it exists? This is what we call a zero-day exploit. A zero-day exploit happens when attackers find a vulnerability in a software and use it before the vendor has had time to fix it. Vendor meaning the people who actually build that software. So 0 days of warning, 0 days to prepare, 0 days to patch. That's why it's called 0 day. In simple terms, it's like someone finding a secret back door to your house before you even realize that that door exists. So during my years working in enterprise IT environments, patching systems was always a top priority. But sometimes even fully patched systems were at risk. Why? Because 0-day vulnerability is known to the vendor. No patch exists yet, no signature exists yet, no official fix exists yet. Attackers love 0 days because they are invisible at first. In cybersecurity interviews, companies often ask this question: what makes 0-day exploits so dangerous? So remember this now. The answer is simple. There is no immediate defense available. Traditional antivirus tools may not detect it. Firewalls may not recognize it. The attack bypasses known protections because it is not yet known. And remember a real-world case where a popular web application framework had a 0-day vulnerability. Organizations using that framework were compromised within hours of public disclosure. Some companies reacted quickly, others delayed. The difference between them was preparation. It's not about who does it first, it's about who does it right. The companies that had strong monitoring, network segmentation, and incident response plans contained that damage. The ones that ignored proactive security suffered heavily. So 0-day attacks teach us an important lesson. Security is not only about patching, it's about a layered defense. If one control fails, another should catch the threat. That includes behavior monitoring, network monitoring, least privilege access, strong logging and alerting, regular backups, of course. You cannot always prevent a 0-day attack, but you can reduce the damage. That's called resilience. Now in 2026, 0-day exploits are increasing because software is growing more complex. More code means more potential vulnerabilities. This is why cybersecurity professionals must think beyond basic tools. You must think like an attacker. Where could a weakness exist? What happens if a system is compromised? How quickly can we isolate it? Understanding 0 days makes you think strategically. It forces you to move from reactive security to proactive security. If you're building a career in cybersecurity, this concept is very critical for you. Because real attackers do not wait for patches, they look for opportunities. And in security, preparation always beats panic. A 0-day exploit is, of course, dangerous. But awareness, monitoring, discipline make it manageable. That is how modern cybersecurity works. If you learned something from this video, please, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and good luck.